Welcome to part 3 of core stability. And today, it will be a little challenging, but I know that you can do it and I'm going to be right there with you. So let's get into it. We're going to start with a full body plank for 30 seconds, 3 sets. Deep breaths, keep that head up, keep those glutes tucked in, core engaged, and make sure those hands are parallel to those shoulders. Deep breaths. And just focus on holding it through it and breathing through it. You got this. You're more than halfway there, trust me, come on. You got this, you got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. All right, now we're gonna transition things over to alternating leg raises, and we're gonna take our time. We're gonna go for 30 seconds. And go. Chin tucked in, shoulders off that mat, and driving it through. Nice and easy. Yep. Just getting that core warmed up so we can keep on going and going. Deep breaths, deep breaths. You're almost there, you're almost there. Yep. 10, 9. There we go, there we go. 3, 2, 1, time. All right. Let's go. 10-second rest. Now we're gonna go into hip bridges and we're gonna hold for 30 seconds. After then, we increase the intensity just a little bit. Ready in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Feel for those hamstrings, feel for those glutes. Hips up, and look straight out. And hold. Hold that position, fire up that core, hands right on those hips. And keep on holding, keep on holding. Deep breaths. There we go. There we go. Almost there, almost there. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. All right, let's go. You guys are crushing it, you guys are crushing it. But now things time to speed things up for you guys for a little bit. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right back into that high plank position, but this time we're gonna go with a knee drive. Palms down, driving straight through. All right, so take the next 10 seconds to breathe, and we go right into it. We're gonna go for 30 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 10, keep going. Right there with you. Come on, pump it, pump it, pump it. Come on. Finish with me, finish with me, finish with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Woo. 20 seconds, catch your breath. Now we're going to be going to alternating side planks. And hold. Make sure to keep those hips up high. You want that gap in between. Really feel against those obliques. Keep those hands out. Deep breaths. Almost there, almost there. There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch side. And let's get it going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. We got this, we got this. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Push through, push through, push through. Right there, right towards the end. Come on. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Woo. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Let's go. Take your time, catch your breath. Now we're going to be going for the dead bug. Dead bug, we're going to go knee slightly bent 90 degrees, hands straight out. We're just going to go opposite hand and opposite foot. And alternating through and really engaging that core. All right, we're going to go in 10 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Woo! Come on, let's keep on pumping, We got a little bit more to go, All right, next up, as you guys rest, we're gonna be doing a tabletop hold. Basically, you're gonna take your leg, bring them 90 degrees, push it out just a little bit, so your knees pass your torso, just a little bit, engaging that core, and holding right at the top. And we're gonna hold for 30 seconds. We're gonna get it going in 10 seconds. Keep on holding. There we go. 3, 2, 1, time. Woo! And rest. Let's go. Whew. As you guys rest, we're gonna up the ante up a little bit. Now we're gonna go with a bodyweight plank. 1 foot elevated, and hold. And we're gonna do 20 seconds on each side. Let's go right foot up and hold. 20 seconds, deep breath. Halfway there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Woo. Next leg, and up. There we go. We got this. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Woo! Let's go. And as you rest, I'm going to demonstrate next exercise is a bird dog. We're going to stay right here on all fours, and then from there on we're going to alternate right and back, left and back, opposite hand, opposite foot. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. one time. Woo! Come on, let's finish this out, Next exercise is gonna be a squat hold. So from here, hold in this position, chest up, deep breath. We're gonna hold for 30 seconds. One, and hold. Hands right in between. Hold them together. Keep that chest up. Fire out that core. Come on. You got 10 seconds. Come on. Hold it. I'm right there with you. Hold it, I'm right there with you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. And that concludes it for part 3 of core stability. Hope we got through this one. Hope we pushed through. Remember, we're always right there with you. And if we got a good burn, most importantly, feel stronger. That's the biggest thing when it comes to these exercises. I want to help you guys get stronger. Pain-free movement is the key. You can be the big guy in the gym pushing weight, but I bet you he's got some back pain. And he's trying to work out his way, but you can't do that. You got to actually tackle the root of the problem. Come in here, do exercise like this to really strengthen that midsection, so therefore it can make everything else easier. Well, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this one. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. Remember, if you need some help, got some free guides down below for you guys. But with that being said, have the best day ever. Peace!